Hi guys, on this video I will show you how to install Fail2ban on Plesk 12.5. Doesn't matter your OS, your system mine is Ubuntu, but doesn't matter if CentOS or other. So go to Tools and Settings, Server Management. Let's see if it's installed or not. So it's right here, IP address banning, Fail2ban, but it says service is not installed. Okay, go back Tools and Settings, Plesk, Updates and Upgrades. Click on it. So this is the interface for install and update. Go to Add Remove Components. So Fail2ban, click on it, install and continue. Click on continue. We'll start the installation. And it's done. Say your operation, it's done, successfully completed. Click OK. Okay, close this. Go back to your Plesk panel. Okay, let's see. So in the right bar we see system security, IP address banning, but it's off. We need to start Tools and Settings again, Server Management. Now we can see service is not running, so it's installed but not running. So let's start the service. Click on the gadget. Now its service is start. Fail2ban is start. Now let's go back, and it shows system security, IP address banning, it's on. So you can click on it. So we have not found any IP here, but it's the first time to start the Fail2ban. So here you can configure your service. You can here click on trusted IP address. You can add your server IP address, add trusted IP. On jails you can so nothing is inactive, not so all is inactive. So I choose Plesk panel. It's just for a demonstration. You can choose all: Apache, SSH. I choose these two. So switch on. Click on switch on. So it's done. That's it. It's very easy to install and configure this Fail2ban. Support for all OS, doesn't matter what kind of OS do you have. I have Ubuntu, but doesn't matter CentOS or other. So this is it. Thanks for watching.